playmaker in NBA history. Wilt had countless games with mind-boggling numbers that are likely never going to be repeated again. Here are the craziest stat lines of Chamberlain's career. Unofficial quintuple-double: 53 points, 32 rebounds, 14 assists, 24 blocks, and 11 steals. This has never been officially confirmed, but the statistically most dominant player ever had a quintuple-double, a feat that has never been achieved before or since. This happened in a game between his Sixers and the Lakers in 1969, but the NBA didn't count blocks and steals back then, so we can't know for sure. We do know that he had a preposterous triple-double on that day, with 53 points, 32 rebounds, and 14 assists. This would turn heads if it was anybody else, but with Wilt, those kind of numbers were almost expected. But what the NBA didn't write down were his 24 blocks and 11 steals in that game, which would count for one of the craziest stat lines ever, even for Chamberlain. Most points in a game: 100 points, 25 rebounds, 2 assists. It should have just been another game between the Warriors and the Knicks, and Wilt didn't really prepare for it, not unless you count clubbing and spending the night with a woman as preparation. Wilt was almost late for the train to Hershey in Pennsylvania, where the game was held in front of 4,000 people. But it didn't take too long for Wilt to get going. Chamberlain scored 41 in the first half, but he wasn't too excited about it. It was just business as usual, as he would often score over 30 in a half. However, his domination continued in the second half as well, and his teammates began feeding him the ball on every possession, realizing that something special was cooking. The Knicks players realized this too,